Hello, welcome back to Saffron and Sypha's channel. Today we have crocodilians, extinct crocodiles. First here is we have the Gryposuchus from Epic Evolution. This one has a wheel on the back that you can turn, and it turns its head and opens up its mouth when you do this. There you go, also has a sound. Obviously it is a wild roar. There you go. And there's the DNA scan. Okay. I don't recommend this, put this on water unless you have another one. Yeah, but there you go. And we have here the classic Camp Cretaceous Sarcosuchus. Has this feature, the button. It is a gigantic tracker or massive biters. I wish the mouth can close, but no, it leaves its mouth open. There's a DNA scan. If you move the tail, the head moves as well. I think this one doesn't do that, it just, yeah, it doesn't. But if you move the neck, the mouth opens up without the sound though. Only the sound works on the back, on the tail. So the reason why I brought these two crocodilians out is because remember that I have the new gigantic treasure PURUSSAURUS, so we're gonna combine it. Obviously it doesn't have sound because it's a gigantic tracker. Okay, we're gonna unbox this. We're gonna check it out. Alright guys, there you go. Nice. Let's put that aside right there. So, pretty nice piece right here. It's a shorter snout and a flat nose compared to the other crocodiles. Nice quills. You can see the armor, the back armor is called the osteodermis. The tail has spikes or quills, just like the Gryposuchus. Let's compare it. The Gryposuchus is a little smaller. There you go. Let's see the link. Obviously has a longer snout now. Now let's go for the Sarcosuchus. The snout is also longer compared to the PURUSSAURUS. No sounds. Alright, so let's see the feature in this guy. Oop. So when you move the tail, it opens up. It goes. So only the upper jaw that opens up. The lower jaw is quite disappointing. It doesn't go down. It doesn't open all the way. You can tell it doesn't open. Unlike this guy's, it opens. Both upper jaw and lower jaw opens up. This one doesn't. Just one jaw. So it doesn't have a wide mouth anymore for a crocodile. So that's the disappointing part. So just like that. Then if you twist the tail, you turn it, the legs move. Like it walks. Look at that. It moves. And there's the DNA scan. So you do that. You can see the legs are moving, see? But if you go left and right, it bites. If you turn it, it bites and moves. Oop. There you go. So, yeah. So I wish Mattel found a way to make this both jaws open up. Nice teeth right there. It looks sharp, but it's not. It's really soft. Safe for children. But yeah, so there you have it for today. Our PURUSSAURUS video. Our crocodiles. Extinct crocodilians. Okay guys. And also we have another one for maybe a repaint. Okay, because it doesn't have a variant yet, so I need two. At least two. So yeah, so there you have it for today guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. You have a good one now. And we'll see you again next video. Okay guys. Yeah. So this is really safe in water. Thank you again guys. Have a good week. Ciao.